The automotive world is buzzing, and at Monterey Car Week, one legendary designer has already stolen the spotlight. Gordon Murray, the mastermind behind the McLaren F1, has unveiled two breathtaking supercars under his company, Gordon Murray Special Vehicles. The new models, the S1 LM and the Mans GTR, are not just cars. They are rolling tributes to racing heritage and modern engineering brilliance. Gordon Murray has already built a reputation for producing some of the most admired modern supercars through Gordon Murray Automotive, with models like the T50, T50S, and T33 all sold out and celebrated for their innovation. When Murray announced two debuts for Monterey, many speculated they might simply be special editions of those cars. But what arrived was far more special. Two unique, standalone machines that honor the past while pushing into the future. First up is the S1 LM, a direct salute to the iconic McLaren F1 and its legendary 1995 Le Mans victory. The design clearly echoes the F1's proportions and character, but blends in fresh elements inspired by Murray's later works, like the T50 and T50S. For example, the headlight shapes resemble the F1's but carry their own unique flair. The side ducting combines vintage oval slats and modern sculpting, while the engine and chassis engineering bring cutting-edge performance. At its heart lies a naturally aspirated 4.3-liter V12 producing over 700 horsepower, paired with a gearbox borrowing components from both the T50 and T50S. Suspension is lighter yet stiffer, giving the S1 LM sharper dynamics. Inside, the three-seat layout returns, with the driver front and center flanked by two passengers, an unmistakable nod to the F1. GMSV calls the interior design skeletal architecture, emphasizing a minimalist yet elegant aesthetic. Perhaps the most astonishing fact: only 5 units of the S1 LM will ever exist, and all of them are already spoken for by a single customer. That level of exclusivity sets a new standard even in the world of ultra-rare hypercars. Next is the Le Mans GTR, a long-tail creation inspired by the McLaren F1 GTR longtail and other legendary endurance racers such as the Porsche 917, Alfa Romeo Typo 33-3, and Matra Simca MS660. Unlike the S1 LM, this car retains the same V12 engine from the T50 but focuses heavily on aerodynamic evolution. The fan system from the T50 is gone, replaced by a sleek long-tail design that enhances downforce while cutting drag. Massive side pods, large vents, and improved cooling solutions make this car track-ready, while solid drivetrain mounting ensures sharper response without sacrificing drivability. Murray described long-tail cars as the perfect balance of aerodynamics and beauty, and the Le Mans GTR captures that philosophy perfectly. Production will be slightly less limited than the S1 LM, but still extremely rare. Only 24 units will be built, each customizable to a customer's taste, including a bespoke 3-seat interior. With such a balance of exclusivity, engineering, and style, the Le Mans GTR is destined to be a collector's dream. Gordon Murray himself summed up the philosophy behind these new machines. "I love timeless design. I never want us to join the race to make the most outrageous-looking supercar at the expense of balance, beauty, and proportion." Both the S1 LM and Le Mans GTR embody that statement. Supercars that honor history yet remain innovative and timeless. With these debuts, Gordon Murray proves once again that he is not just designing cars, he is shaping automotive history. The S1 LM rekindles the magic of the McLaren F1, while the Le Mans GTR reimagines endurance racing legends for the modern era. For those few wealthy enough to own one, these cars are more than machines. They're moving pieces of art and engineering genius.